Oh guys, it's a Chook Man here once again. I just come outside near my garage and I happen to look up and there's a bird's nest. It's a little bird's nest with a baby in it. It's made it like, so that's just, it's made a nest on my F100. They're a little brown bird. It's amazing how it's made the nest. I happened to look up and I just seen her out of the corner of my eye. Alright, so I'm going to leave it alone now because it'll get scared. It's a little brown bird. It's amazing. It must feel safe here, that's why it's did it.